how to fix Instagram filters not showing or not working, or any glitch with the filters or effects. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix those problems easily and fast with one simple trick. So all what you have to do is, the first thing, you have to make sure that you have the last version of Instagram. To make sure of that, just go to the Play Store and search for Instagram, and then you need to check if you have this update button. If you have it, then you have to click on it easily. And after that, go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Go back, click on the apps, go to apps, wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram, and then click here on force stop. After that, go to the permissions and make sure to enable all those permissions. And that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful.